There are two main parts of any app. It's UI and it's UX. I think UI, meaning user interface, or how nice the app looks essentially, isn't all that important for early stage startups. Obviously, people are going to appreciate things that look nicer, software that looks and feels nice, but I think as long as you're solving a big enough of a pain point, your customers aren't going to care about how bad the UI looks. It just needs to be functional and it needs to solve the pain point that they have. And this is especially crucial when you're validating your product. All you have to do is build a sort of scrappy but functional product and get it out to as many users as possible. Get feedback and then validate whether it's solving a big enough problem, whether you're targeting the right market, and whether people would be willing to pay for it. So what you should do is iterate and then get feedback, and then iterate and get even more feedback, and repeat that entire process until you get a polished product. In my opinion, UX is much more important than UI. UX being the sort of organizational stuff, what each button does, what tabs are there, and what kind of features are stored, as well as kind of just how you package the whole product. Some products are entirely just solving a UX problem. For example, if there's an existing product with really bad UX, where it's really hard for the user to find what they need to do, you could go in and step in. You could build something with the same features, but has better UX, and that solves the problem and makes it more easily accessible and understandable for the user. In those cases, UX is crucial. In most cases, having something functional, simple, and understandable is the key. All you have to do is make it as frictionless as possible for the user to use and implement in their lives. And this is the most important point. So my thought process is, it's less important about how your app looks. What's more important is how it functions and how easy it is to use.